First of all, thank you very much for the invitation on this summit. So yes, complexity. It's something that we need to deal with on a daily basis. First of all, it's because of the product itself that Sidel is selling. Sidel is selling complete line solutions for beverage. And so this is something that is having embedded its own complexity. You need to design machines that per se have an high level of complexity. You need to handle mechanical design, electrical design, pneumatic, fluid dynamics, software implementation, all like this. Plus, we have the line. So also in the line, you need to connect and to place on the customer building those kind of machines. And then you need also to secure that the machines are correctly supplied, electricity, water, sometimes hot air, sometimes other kind of gas like CO2. All of this it need to be delivered from Sidel to customer in order to provide the solution that they are searching for, which is at the end to be able to produce usually a very big amount of bottles or cans of the product that they sell, water, beer, carbonated soft drink like Coca-Cola, etc. So how does this kind of product complexity reflect on IT standpoints? Since we have many points to be tackled on, we need different kind of solutions to tackle this kind of problem. We need CAD that allow us mechanical design, building design, electronic design, etc. We need to make sure that all those kind of data are well integrated and reflecting the solution, the product that we are going to deliver to our customer. And this is where one of the first big pain points come out, that usually this is a kind of situation where there is a very low level of communication. Often, so the mechanical designer is focused on its part, electrical designer also, etc., etc. It's missing a kind of holistic approach, so something like to have a 360 view of the solution, which doesn't mean that you don't have to focus on your part. You need for sure in order to deliver a proper work, but you need to take care that your part, what you're doing, is one part of the complete solution. It's, let's say, one flower you plant in the garden. For sure, having a kind of solution like smart curtains, like smart layout, so we speak about configurators, is helping us to define, let's say, a perimeter and a set of actions and rules that we need to respect, and some criteria we need to secure in order to deliver your solution. So, one example, if you want to bottle your water in PET, you know that you are going to need a blower machine that create the plastic bottle and not a glass bottle washer, for example. So just a stupid example, but so to make understand this, that we need also to be coherent throughout the line design. Plus also the speed. We need to secure that we are able to grant the speed that our customer is requesting. And usually machines are not all going out to the same speed. You have one machine which is faster, one machine which is slower, and the complete line, the entire line, is going at the speed of the most slow machine. This is a kind of principle that the system engineers know very well. Thanks to this, smart layout and smart quote are allowing us to create configurations that have embedded all those kind of concepts. Okay, and so like this, they allow us to bring an end-to-end complete solution proposal. Then one of the next steps we were discussing also this morning will be to have an integration in between the smart layout world and the CAD system engineering design world, in order that we have the possibility for our system engineers to receive a list of machines they know that they have to place in customer building, and thanks to this build up the line, secure that everything is connected, have quality checks that prove that they did all their job properly, and then return information to smart layout in order to give also possibility to have a complete end-to-end quotation for the solution. One of the main points concerning the sales engineering is the fact that they need to be quick. The times are very compressed. One day, maybe even half a day, in order to deliver a complete line draft, or better, a complete line layout to be attached to the quotation, so not exactly draft. To do this kind of exercise, we need, so we have two ways. Or we do everything in a rush and then we risk to forget to include something that during the execution step of the project, in case we win the deal, someone will say, hey guys, you forgot this, but this is mandatory, we cannot go without it. And then you have to put at your own expense. The second point is, second way is to say, okay, I do throughout the configuration that, basing on the parameters I set, already prepare for me a complete solution, allow the line designer to already pick the elements that are necessary, place in the building, connect them with the conveying lines, and then deliver a kind of solution. Of course, the second way is plenty of advantages respect to the first one, because it grants coherency in the solution proposal, which means that also you are not risking to discover later on that you made huge mistakes during the sales engineering phase. And so like this, you are more able to secure the margin of your project, so to have a gain instead of a loss.